Hello guys, welcome you all. Today I am going to unbox Avita Pura Ryzen 5 laptop, which is a very great deal. I will let you know about that. So first, I received this package today. I ordered just 2 days ago at the start of Flipkart Big Billion Day. So I got a very nice deal. So inside the box we got another box. So this is the box of Avita Pura Ryzen 5. So here are some key features and key specifications like color, etc. So here is the manufacturing details, importing details, and manufacturer date, and so here is the seal. Let us break the seal and get inside the box and check what are get. We just open the box, and the box is very nicely packed. So this is the bag we get, a small handy laptop box, which is very great features, because nowadays no well-known brand is giving free bags or freebies like that, which is a very great initiative by Avita. So I want to let you know guys that Avita is not a Chinese company, it is an Hong Kong company. So Hong Kong and China are the different things. So the quality of the bag is up to the mark, which is above average. I didn't expect this much quality from the bag, so my expectation is still more high here. Overall the bag is very great and it is waterproof, I think so. So next we get our charger department, and then we will open the charger. So we get an adapter brick and a power cable. So I will show you guys adapter voltage also. If you need, you can pause and have a look at it. So it is normal as 19 volt and 2.1 amps, which totals up to 18 watts of power output. So we get a single pin, and this is the power cable. I want to let you know guys that these things looks very premium. I mean, not very cheap, but it's very sturdy, and yeah, it can do its job. So this is the laptop itself, the laptop which comes in this special casing. As you can see, the Avita Pura branding is over there. This pack, I liked it very much due to its simplicity. So by opening it, you can see the laptop itself. Below the laptop we get a user manual. Make sure to read it if you are using for the first time. So in that laptop we will get basic features details and basic user manual like thing. So we will keep it aside and we will move on to the laptop. So removing the cover, the plastic cover also feels much premium. Yeah, this is the laptop. This laptop is very lightweight. You can't feel like you are holding a laptop. So these are all the ports. One side we get an USB 3 and headphone jack and micro SD, and another side we will get HDMI, Thunderbolt, power cable adapter, I mean power pin, next a normal USB. So let's just open it. So yeah, it won't open in a single hand. I just tried that. So inside that we get one more shield. So yeah, this is the look, first impression. You can see that Avita logo is shining under the light, and we have Ryzen 5 sticker above the HDMI sticker. The laptop body is feeling good. So this is the close-up shot. You can have a look close-uply. So remind you, this is the 14-inch laptop, and we can't get like full-size keyboard, so we have to use it with it. The laptop is simple and it's nice to look. So this is my first boot up and complete setup. Yeah, I just clicked that power button and Avita is loading. So here we are inside the laptop officially now. So the laptop is very snappy and very quick responsive. I will share some of the basic specs of this PC, so you can view in this video by right clicking and clicking the properties in this PC. We can have a look like this is manufactured as Avita, and the processor is Ryzen 5 3500U, which has an 8 cores and 4 threads with a Radeon 8 graphics and 8GB RAM. This is some of the basics. Also, I will show you the task manager inside. So as you can see, the memory, it has DDR4 2400 MHz, which is a very great thing again. The disk is 512GB SSD, and again the GPU is Vega 8 graphics, which is a AMD's inbuilt graphic. So again remind you guys, this is a full HD display, which means it can hold up resolution naturally by 1080p. So that's it in this video guys. Stay tuned, I have made another video on complete CPU Z and crystal disk benchmarks and etc. I will also share the viewing experience and sound quality in that video. Click on the top right icon or I button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and also feel free to comment and your suggestions. Thank you.